Hi there. අද අපි බලමු මේ කොහොමද කියන්නේ කියලා යමක් වෙන්න ඉඩ තියෙනවා කියලා. නිකන් අද අපිට ආස බලද්දී පේනවා නිකන් මේ වහින්න ඉඩ තියෙනවා. මේ වගේ දෙයක් කොහොමද ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් කියන්නේ? මේ වහින්න ඉඩ තියෙනවා. It is likely to rain. It is likely to rain. අපි මේ it is likely plus a base form. නැත්නම් අපි verb එකක සාමාන්‍ය ස්වරූපය යොදා ගන්නවා. මේ it is likely to කියන phrase එකත් එක්ක නැත්නම් it is likely කියන එකත් එක්ක to infinitive base form එකක් යොදා ගන්නවා මේ යම් කිසි දෙයක් වෙන්න ඉඩ තියෙනවා කියන්නේ. එතකොට රැට සීතල වෙන්න පුළුවන්. It is likely to get cold at night. It is likely to get cold at night. එහෙම නැත්නම් train එක අද පරක්කු වෙන්න ඉඩ තියෙනවා. The train is likely to get delayed. The train is likely to get delayed. එතකොට මේ වගේ දෙයක් අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් සරලව මේ it is likely to කියන phrase එකත්. එතකොට මේ phrase එක අපිට spoken English වල වගේම written English වලත් යොදා ගන්න පුළුවන්. She is likely to change her mind. She is likely to change her mind. ඇයගේ මනස වෙනස් කරගන්න ඉඩ තියෙනවා. She is likely to change her mind. They are likely to win the match. They are likely to win the match. ඒගොල්ලෝ match එක දිනන්න ඉඩ තියෙනවා. They are likely to win the match. Yeah. Yes, come. What do you want to say?
They are likely to go to Hollywood.
Yeah, they are likely to go to Hollywood. Okay.
They are likely to visit Hollywood.
They are likely to visit Hollywood.
Yes.
Do you have anything to say, Adam?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. Okay, come here then. Yes.
They are likely to play on the ground on a sunny day.
Yeah, they are likely to play on a ground on a sunny day.
Yes.
Yes, they are likely to play. They are likely to play
Play
on the ground
on the ground on a sunny day.
on a sunny day. Right. On a
Sunny day.
sunny day. Yes, fantastic. Thank you for that.
You're welcome.
I hope you could learn something from this short video. Try to use it is likely to plus a verb. See you.